Welcome back to the channel, guys. This will be the first video in a series of many of DIY projects that I'm doing, working on, have ideas for. Pardon the wind. We've got Santa Ana's going right now here in Southern California, and it's gets some pretty big gusts sometimes. So I apologize for the audio. But anyway, this is it. What I have so far, it started out as a had other plans, but saw this swing out bike rack carrier, and it's a pretty interesting design, really affordable pricing where I got it. Swings right out. Has all the features that you would see, very hefty. Total capacity is 250 pounds, but I don't think I'm going to be anywhere near that. The steel tubes, black tubes, are from an old bike carrier I had, just the galvanized square tubing. And just bolted together, limited welding, just a little bit of welding on the top here. And it locks open, still gives me plenty of room to open the tailgate. Don't have the tire on yet. Yeah, so the company, don't know the company that makes this, forgot the name. But like I said, I randomly found this. So you pull the pin out, pull it all the way back, there's a piece of plastic that it slides on, locks in. Pull the handle back up and put in the pin, and you're good to go. It's pretty sturdy. Everything tightened up. Obviously haven't tested it yet because it's not finished, but thinking about leaving it galvanizing, not painting it, but I don't know, we'll see. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.